What is going on, guys? If you've ever gotten yourself a MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S, well, I got an accessory for you that you're gonna love. What I have here is a battery that has a strap on there that will make your Quest 3S and your Quest 3 a lot more comfortable. This does work with both, by the way, and so today we're going to test that out on both of these devices. Now, why would you want something like this instead of just getting a regular strap? Well, obviously you're going to get extended playtime on these. At the same time, it balances the back and the front out. If you've used one of these, you know that the front gets pretty heavy after about 15 minutes. And what it does is that the battery will help balance everything out, and it feels a lot more comfortable. By the way, if you don't know KIWI Designed, look around. You'll see them a lot when it comes to VR headsets from Meta. They are one of the few that are certified by Meta to build accessory for these Meta Quest headsets. Looks very futuristic, I would say. This does not look like a battery pack at all, but it is, because I feel the heft on this thing. Now, one of the special thing about this versus some of the other headsets that I have is that it does have a forehead mount on here, so it will keep your balance a lot better from this top to the back. We're gonna attach that in a little bit. Instruction booklet, and guys, I think that is it right there. Okay, so let's take a look at this real quick before I put it on the headset. This right here is adjustable on the top. It's a Velcro. By the way, the Velcro, it's one of those high quality Velcro, because you can tell this right here doesn't, get stick all over your clothes, and it's a leatherish here. So on the back with the battery, there is a little knob right here that adjusts the length of the headset. So if I were to go like this, here, let me untighten it, make it bigger. Now I can go, that makes it tighter. Okay. Now obviously, the battery, you don't want that to touch your head at all, and so what happens is that they have this right here that is has a lot of cushion, and it does move. See this? So it'll adjust to your head. And then on your forehead, let's turn it this way, there's also a pillow right here as well. Now let's go ahead and plug this thing in. I'm gonna pick my 3S right here. The reason why it works with both the 3 and the 3S is because they went and designed it. You see this little hole right here? That right there is on the 3. So if I look over here, you see that there's a 3 right there. 3S does not have that hole, but that's okay. It doesn't need the hole. The important part is on the left-hand side, which is where the charging port is. Both the 3 and the 3S have it. So the way I remove mine is that I would take this part right here and I would just snap this thing open. Yeah, that's it. So right here, grab this portion and just push it out. It's that easy. Now this one right here, I'm just gonna remove the face mask right here. So this is the face mask. And then you remove that Velcro and the entire thing goes out the door. I didn't realize there's a knob right in the front right here, guys. And what it does is that it actually lets you extend this portion. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and pop this on over here. Right here, you see that I snapped that onto that little bracket right there. So the last adjustment that I just found out is that if you look right here, you can move this up or down or forward or backward. See that? On this side too, forward or backward. Well thought out right there. I've never had one that did that. Okay, and last but not least, now you gotta put on this face mask so that it's comfortable. So let's go ahead and pop that in, and there you have it. That's what it looks like right there. So yeah, you just plug this over here on the side, and that should charge the headset. Now, as soon as I plug it in, this light comes on right there. It tells me that I have 3 out of 4 bars. Let's take a look at the way this is being used here, okay? So if you put this on your head, you can actually tilt this thing up so that, you know, you can just take it off. Ready Player One, have you seen that movie? Yeah, anyway, just take that off and it will sit on top of your head a little bit right there. That's nice, right? So you don't have to completely take the whole thing off. And then you can just put it back on when you're ready. So that's the advantage of having this little halo up on the top right here. Oh, by the way, this thing is called a halo, right? Anyway, so the one thing I didn't also think about was that, so once you put this thing on your head, you don't have to like do that. You can just like push it in and then it will hug your head. Okay, so obviously, like as you're playing this and you know, after about 4 or 5 hours, whatever it is that this entire thing will handle, or whatever I can handle, which is probably only about 30 minutes max. How do you charge this thing? Well, USB-C back here. KIWI also sent me a 45 watt power brick. So what KIWI is saying is that if I use this 45 watt brick, it will actually charge the battery pack back here and also do a pass-through and charge the headset. So both are charging at the same time with the 45 watt brick right here. Anyway, I want to thank them for sending me this as well. All right, so moment of truth. Let's go ahead and try this baby on. I'm gonna give me some more room on this head, on this top part. My head is pretty big, so I'm gonna extend this a little bit more. Oh wow, okay. So the top right here really hugs my head up here, and I can feel like the pillow that's back here as well. And interestingly is that I can actually move this up and down based on my preference. So as I was telling you guys earlier, you can just push both of this in and voila, that's a quick fit right there. Yeah, it definitely takes the weight of the front of the 3S is so much that now having this right here, doing this feels so much more comfortable. Yeah. Oh yeah, that feels so good. That feels really, really good. So now, have you guys ever used one of those eye masks where it massages your eyes? I'm not sure if you've ever used one or not, but in the front right here, and also the Meta's face mask, that works together to make me feel like that is something. It's just like hugging your face. Anyway, I don't know with extended play how that would be, but so far, guys, this thing is super comfortable, very balanced on both sides. So there you have it, guys. That's the KIWI H4 Boost Halo strap. I want to thank them for sending this to me and sponsoring this video. I'm glad they did reach out to me because I am a big fan of their products. Obviously, with my Quest 3 right here. This is one I bought myself. And yeah, it's KIWI as well. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. That is the KIWI designed H4 Boost Halo head strap. Hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.